Unrolling and unfolding your Aqua-Barrier in the field is user-friendly and easy to deploy, but there are a few things to note before you do so. First, we'll start the process with 2 to 4 people unrolling a large-size Aqua-Barrier. As a team, be sure to stay on the sides or behind the barrier as you unroll. It is unsafe and not recommended to be in front of the barrier as you unroll. Remove the 2 PVC pipes that came with your barrier, then position all team members equally along the length. To unfold, it is easiest and most effective to grab the barrier edge and pull backwards to open rather than picking the edge up and walking forward. Repeat on all folds until your barrier is fully unfolded. Take note of the loose drain port fittings packed into the middle of the barrier. These are packed and unsocketed for air ventilation purposes during the folding and rolling process. Please make sure not to lose these fittings when unrolling and unfolding your Aqua-Barrier in bodies of water or other infield situations that may increase the likelihood of losing them. Now you may take your 8-inch drain port fittings and screw them snugly into their corresponding ports in the corners of your barrier. Then, screw in a 90-degree elbow fitting into one of your fill ports. Your Aqua-Barrier is now ready for any additional infield adjustments and inflation.